Hey guys, welcome back to Indian Twins and we are back. I know that we haven't posted anything from a long time, but we were literally very busy and we are very sorry. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 8 fashion trends which I like the most and want to share with you all. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that you'll get notification each time we post a new video. So let's begin. Yeah, I have noted the trends. That's what happened. So talking about the first trend, that is going to be it's natural tones all over, that we can say monochrome. Try sand, camel and even buff. Sandy colored suits with turtlenecks. They are amazing. They look classy, a little formal and an easy to go trend. Keep these shades in your wardrobe and they must be in your wardrobe. Sand, buff and camel. So going to the next fashion trend, it's blue with neutral tones. Eye-catching trend. I loved it. And even I have tried and created outfits on that, which I'll be going to post on my Instagram as soon as I feel like posting. Try and experiment the hottest hues. Try experiment with blues and try experiment with some neutral tones. Just don't grab a single hue all the time. So it is very versatile. You can try 100 of outfits with them. Every season there's a new animal print and this season it's tiger print. You can add this in your long dress, hats, purse and handbags and whatnot. If you are a print person and you like wearing prints, so you can go for tiger print this season. It's a wild print. Thank me later. Fourth trend is cold weather leathers. So add pieces like leather shirt dress, leather button down shirt, leather pants, leather blazers and leather skirt. And mix match them to create an ultimate hot couture outfits. The fifth one is puffer piece. In puffer piece, there are puffer jackets and puffer vests you should try in this winter. It looks cute, it looks attractive and it's warm obviously. Keep a cute puff jacket in your wardrobe and keep a cute puff vest in your wardrobe too. So the sixth trend I'm going to talk about is fuzzy jackets or fuzzy cardigans. So the fuzzy cardigan is a must-have piece in your wardrobe. They look really amazing in layering as well as wearing single. These are the versatile pieces in your clothing and they can be worn with business casuals to 90s inspired streetwear. So they look amazing and aesthetic. The seventh piece we are going to talk about is knitted cardigans. Knitted cardigans are a must-have piece again in your wardrobe and it's my favorite piece to have in the wardrobe. I love styling knitted cardigans and I am having actually 2-3 pieces of knitted cardigans, but I'm going to add more and more in my wardrobe for this winter because I love styling them. They look so aesthetic and I love aesthetic. You can just wear it over your high necks, turtlenecks, and you can wear it over your shirts, your collared t-shirts, and you can also match your knitted cardigans under your vests. So they look amazing. They look amazing if you are talking about the bottom. So you can just pair it up with bootcut denim, flared pant, flared jean, and bell-bottom jeans and pants, which could be black and blue. Your choice. The last trend we are going to talk about is dramatic puff sleeves. Only a sleeve king can change your whole outfit. If you're wearing a shirt with a normal sleeve, you look formal, and if you watch the same shirt with the dramatic puff sleeves, it looks like, ooh, it's nice. So the ooh factor of dramatic sleeves is what I like the most, and I have a shirt with the dramatic puff sleeves and it looks amazing in the normal shirt. So it's a must-have. You can try, experiment with these sleeves too. So let me know what you think of it and which trends you are going to implement this winters, and let me know in the comment section what you want to see more, and subscribe to our channel, like this video and follow for more.